Cisco Certified Network Associate. Welcome back everybody. I am AM Khan, your trainer for the entire series. Today we would be learning about main office or head office and branch office networks. This video is not only for the people who are going for the CCNA certification, but anybody who is interested to or looking to start a career in networking. Watch this because you are going to learn a lot. CCNA certification is very valuable certification. I urge everybody to go ahead and take the certification because it is going to add lot of value. So, main office, that is head office and branch office networks. A computer network can be too small, connecting two computers back to back. A SOHO network, or it can be too large, connecting all devices in a huge enterprise network. In an enterprise network, data originates and travels in different environments like main office or head office, remote locations, that is branch offices, users working from their home, traveling employees, etc. Main office or head office. A main office is where all the branch offices are reporting to and where the top departmental heads of the enterprise works. Main office, that is head office network, is where the branch office networks are normally connected to. Normally, it is inside the main office that the most important enterprise servers run. Remote locations include branch offices, work from home users and traveling employees. So branch offices are normally located in remote geographical locations connected to the main office by wide area network, that is WAN. Branch offices normally contain fewer users, employees than the main office, head office. And the network resources in branch office are limited to the users in branch office. Branch offices normally host less important servers. Work from home users. Home users are the employees, users who work from home. Home users are normally connected to the main office, that is head office, or branch office using VPN, that is virtual private network, protected broadband internet. Traveling employees. Traveling employees are usually managers, sales and marketing employees or technical employees who are at a remote location for a business related activity. Traveling employees are also normally connected to the main office, that is head office, or branch office using virtual private network, that is VPN, protected broadband and internet. So when we network multiple physical sites, example main office and all the branch offices using wide area network, that is WAN links. Three different topologies are commonly used. One is hub and spoke site to site wide area network, that is WAN topology. Partial mesh site to site wide area networks, that is WAN topology. Full mesh site to site wide area network, that is WAN topology. View and subscribe my channel Network Group.